In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google Drive server encountered an error issue that you might have been experiencing. This error can be frustrating, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through some simple steps to resolve it quickly. To get started, open your web browser and head over to your Google Drive homepage. You can do this by typing drive.google.com in the address bar and pressing enter. Once you're there, look towards the left side of the URL bar and you'll notice a small icon resembling a slider or a lock. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will reveal a drop down menu from which you'll need to select Site Settings. These settings are essential because they provide you with control over how the browser interacts with Google Drive, ensuring that any incorrect configurations can be easily spotted and corrected. When you're in Site Settings, you'll see various options that relate to permissions on your Google Drive. From this menu, look for an option that allows you to clear data or delete data. Click on that. What this does is essentially clear out any cached or saved data that could be causing the error. Sometimes browsers hold onto data that may conflict with the current settings or updates, and clearing this can help eliminate such issues. If clearing the site data doesn't solve the problem, we have another method to check out. Head to the top right corner of the browser and you'll see 3 vertical dots. Clicking on these dots reveals another drop-down menu. From here, navigate down to Extensions, which will open a new tab showcasing all the extensions you currently have installed. Extensions are fantastic tools that can enhance your browsing experience, but they can sometimes interfere with certain sites, like Google Drive. So, what you want to do next is to methodically turn off each extension one by one. Simply toggle the switch next to each extension and refresh your Google Drive page to see if the issue persists. It's a process of elimination to pinpoint if any of the extensions are causing the conflict. Hopefully by following these steps you'll have resolved the server encountered an error issue with Google Drive. Remember, with tech related problems, patience is key. Sometimes these small adjustments can make a significant difference. If your problem persists, it may be worth looking into more specific support from Google Help or seeking further technical support, but for now these steps should get you back on track. Thank you for watching and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.